Understanding Peer Mentoring, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating concept called peer mentoring. This term is widely used in educational and professional settings, and understanding it can be really beneficial, especially for those learning English as a second language. Peer mentoring refers to a relationship where individuals of similar status or age share knowledge, experience, and advice with each other. Unlike traditional mentoring, where a more experienced person guides a less experienced one, peer mentoring is about mutual growth and learning. This approach is particularly effective in language learning, as it fosters a supportive and relatable environment. Peer mentoring offers several benefits in the context of language learning. 1. Improved communication skills. Regular interaction with a peer mentor can enhance your speaking and listening skills. 2. Cultural exchange. It's an opportunity to learn about different cultures and expressions, which is crucial in language learning. 3. Increased confidence. Having a peer mentor can boost your confidence in using the language in real-life situations. 4. Motivation and support. Peer mentors provide moral support and motivation, helping you to stay committed to your language learning goals. Engaging in peer mentoring involves a few key steps. Find a peer mentor. Look for language exchange programs, online forums, or local groups where you can find a peer mentor. Set goals and expectations. Clearly define what you and your peer mentor hope to achieve from the mentoring relationship. Regular interaction. Schedule regular sessions for conversations, activities, or even just casual chats in English. Give and take feedback. Be open to giving and receiving constructive feedback to improve your language skills. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of peer mentoring and how it can be a valuable tool in your English language learning journey. Remember, finding a peer mentor can open new doors to mastering the language in a fun and interactive way. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and happy learning!